you know what it is. Yeah, you know what it is. Nice. You know what it is. Welcome to my city where we do it big. Shorty, that's nothing. When you put on for your city, baby, that's something. For my town, I am known to put it down. You rep the city, say it with me and let's shut it down. I wear my Yankee hat like it was a crown. I did it big then, like I does it now. That's why they throw it at me, like they on a mound. I came up, so it's more than likely going down. When I'm in a town, that's a rock pouring in that Marty Mall. Four Doran screaming, what's up? I'm like, damn cutie, you got a pan booty. That ass cold stupid. I bet she got some Gina head that be so stupid.